I'm Emily Thompson with Selah Farms, and today we're going to do what we do pretty often. And oh my goodness, there's a cow over there. I didn't even know there was a cow in there, so that's bad, and all the more reason to fix the fences. We were running our goats in this field for a few days, and as they started to eat the brush down, we realized that we had a real problem with the fences that were kind of here before, that had been jerry-rigged, and there were a lot of things that were broken and dilapidated, and so we've been trying to reclaim things. And so right now, we had to go get the goats the other day because they broke through all the way through and they were in our neighbor's field, so we had to get them out. Of course, now they're in the garden clearing some of the fences and clearing up the old garden brush. And so Mike and I are going to try to work on repairing this. And what are we going to use? We're going to use
a hedge trimmer, attachment with my Stihl weed eater.
A hedge trimmer attachment with your Stihl weed eater.
It's a Combi system that Stihl makes really handy, really just multiple tools can be run by this piece of equipment. It's been one of the most handiest tools that we have here.
Because we have here on our land, we have a lot of brush and a lot of brambles, a lot of blackberry bushes and things, which are just like terrible on your hands and legs and things like that. So the goats love them. That's the good news. So they ate all the leaves and ate it back, but then it just exposed the bigger problem with the fence line that we had. So
why don't you show us what's going on with the fence here?
So you can see this is a neighbor's field, and someone is actually renting out this second field here, or this field over here. It's not ours, but they're renting it from one of our neighbors, and they're running their cattle on it. And this is just old fencing. It looks like there's some barbed wire, and some of this is all rusty, and see how low it is. So it's been knocked down by, who knows, like cow, animals, deer, I don't know, like over the years. And then it looks like somebody just tried to
jerry-rig
something and make it work, and they laid this fence down on top of it, but of course it's not really doing its job, and goats are notorious for getting through anything. So for a goat, that, you know, that wouldn't mean much anyway. And then it looks like over time it's kind of rusted and broken apart, so the goats took advantage of that the other day. And then we have pallets on the other side.
Use what you have.
Posing as a barricade, which I remember we actually did that when we first tried to use this fence for this pasture, like last year or 2 years ago. We had a really unruly buck, and he was driving us crazy. We tried to put him over here, and it worked for a little while, but we just haven't really run goats in here for some time. So
here's some of that stuff that was around that fence line. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Hopefully the goats are gonna eat that. And if you see down here, we've been busy clearing out all that area right there. Wanted to show you this fence. This is the fence that was up. Completely not adequate. Completely not gonna work, rotten stumps, so on and so forth. So, clearing this area out, all right here. We're gonna put in some T-posts, some new fencing, some new barbed wire. Where we're gonna get it right. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. was quite a bit to fix this fence here, and I wanted you to see the end result of what we were able to accomplish. So here we go. Nothing fancy here whatsoever, but we have a fully functional fence now. 100% improvement over what we had before. Thankfully, this is fence we had already. I had these T-posts already. I was able to use this post down here, and I had the barbed wire already, and I had the clips and everything that went on the fence. So overall, not too bad. Took a couple hours to fix, but it's gonna be worth it when we run our goats through here.